before he finishes.
That's what she said.
You were neutered. Well, don't you know this? Barbara, it'll be over soon. I don't think this is PG. Desiree, I don't think this will be allowed on Facebook or YouTube.
Hi, Barbie.
Oh my god! When are you gonna end? Get his hands.
Yeah.
Oh my god! She's just taking it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
She's like, help me.
That's so. Oh my god! You see his hands? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, Barbie! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. I think that's the longest he's lasted.
Well, he's giving her a massage apparently, because yeah, he's not even close to her and your battery's dying.
I know. Oh my god. Barbara, fight him off.
She's like, he's giving me a massage. He is only doing it with one hand.
Oh my god.
Oh, somebody's purring.
Who's purring?
I don't know.
I think it's Barbara. She's doing a nervous purr. I think that's a long enough porno, so it's okay. Stop videotaping that.
Oh, the butt's going up.
Oh my god, Desiree! Bestiality, this is disgusting!
I'm not doing anything, so it's not bestiality.
I'm not done with you! He's not finished, I think.
Nothing's sticking out anyway. Barbie, are you okay?
Definitely not going on Facebook. If you want to put that on your Facebook, that's cool. I'm not posting of that shit.